Hi friends, I am Hanumant. We will discuss about in this video special linear group. Special linear group is denoted by SLNF. Okay, SLNF. This set contains set of all square matrix and determinant of that square matrix is 1. Okay, here elements of matrix or belongs to where field F. Here F is field and N is order. Okay, in competitive exam what is the order of this group? In particular case F is equal to Fp. Okay, here Fp is a field, here P is equal to primer. Okay, here P is any prime number. Okay, so this is the formula for order of SLNF. In the particular case field is Fp. Okay, here P is prime number. Formula is P power n minus P power n minus 1 into P power n minus P power n minus 2 into and so on P power n minus P power n minus n by P minus 1. We see example. So here I am taking order is 2. Okay, I am taking field is F2 is equal to field. Okay, F2 is equal to what? 0 1, and here P is what? 2. So here P2 is a prime number. So SL to F2. So this set contains set of all 2 by 2 matrices with determinant 1 and elements of those matrices contains 0 and 1. Okay, so this is a particular case. How to find the order of this group? Okay, from the above formula, here P is equal to what? 2. So N is equal to what? 2. So 2 power 2 minus 2 power 2 minus 1 into 2 power 2 minus 2 power 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. From this we get 4 minus 2. Okay, into 4 minus 1. So 6. So this set contains 6 elements. Okay, so what are those elements? SL to F2 is equal to, so determinant of so elements of those matrices what? 0 and 1. Okay, so 0 and 1. Okay, so this is the identity matrix. Determinant of this identity matrix what? 1. So determinant of this matrix 1, determinant of this matrix 1 1 1 1. So determinant of all matrices what? 1. So this set contains 6 element with respect to this field. So this is the formula for order of this group. In particular case field is equal to FQ. Okay, here P is prime. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel.